Hello, you beautiful bunch. Welcome back to my channel. It is Karen. I hope you're all having a fantastic week. New month, new set, new mood board. Head over to the Nail Sugar Facebook group if you haven't already, because it was Cala's turn this month. And this is the beautiful mood board that she created. I'm getting sort of spring St. Patrick's type vibes off it. So I thought, right, I'm going to create a St. Patrick's set. I think it's kind of a must, especially obviously, I'm Irish, so it kind of almost feels like a duty to kind of create a St. Patrick's set. So I thought, right, well, we'll start off with this, seeing as it is March and St. Patrick's Day, I believe, is the 17th. So we're just going in then with this lovely minty sort of green colour. I didn't get the name off it, I'm so sorry, but just a little mint green colour, very, very nice, sort of nice pastely colour. We're going to do 2 coats of that. And now I've just selected some various green tones, and it's funny because green, it's not a colour that I particularly go for, and I definitely wouldn't wear it my own nails, but I appreciate it in certain things. I've also put some white down there just to sort of contrast. So we're kind of going to swirl this all together with a little dotting tool, and then I'm going to put down some base coat and then just sort of like float it on top. But like I was saying, green's not really my colour, it's not really my thing. I don't know, do you like green? Would you wear green? I would be kind of more of a lilac-y gal, or some of the sort of, the other pastels, like sort of blush pink, all that kind of thing, but not very often green. But anyway, we're going in then with some of these little shamrock decals. Now, these are just so cute. I'm so glad to have these on the website. And as usual, I just trim out the one I need, add a little bit of water to the back of it, and then after about 10 seconds or so, just slide the backing off, and ta-da! You've got yourself a little shamrock on the nail there. And then we're just going to finish that off with some top coat and make it look all shiny. So on to the next nail, and this is no wipe, and I'm only going to cure this for 10 seconds because we're going to be applying chrome here. So I just use the finger of my glove, really, because it's almost like a giant silicone tool, and I'm just going to be applying the chrome now. When you're applying chrome, do it as soon as it comes out of the lamp. It sort of likes the warmth as well. And I do find with the Madame Glam, it sort of seems to like sort of round about the 10-second mark. So I've done a full cure and I'm dusting it off, and now I am going to be adding a top coat to that there, which has a dispersion layer, because I'm going to go in with some decals here, and we're just going to kind of like cover this little nail in decals, little shamrocks of different designs and stuff that's on that water decal sheet. Fun fact about shamrocks, if you didn't already know, it is the national flower of Ireland, and it was actually used by St. Patrick to describe the Holy Trinity whenever he came over here. So that it's kind of 3 in 1, sort of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, but all in one. So I thought that was quite cool. And also, St. Patrick, he's actually buried about 25 minutes away from me. So if you're ever passing through County Down, there you go. You can go visit St. Patrick's grave if you want. I've never been and will probably never be, to be honest with you. But yeah, just a fun fact. I thought, why not share that with you, just as we're on St. Patrick's Day stuffs here. So on then to the next design, and I went in then with this sort of green colour. I'm just not keen on the tone. I don't know why I picked this one, but this particular colour. But anyway, I'm doing a bit of a smile line with it, and I went in with a fine liner and then filled it in with the brush. I'm going to be then top coating this here, and then going in then, once that's cured, going in with a no wipe top coat, and just sort of going over that sort of smile line. This is Lucky Charm, which is a holographic fine glitter, and I'm just going to be sprinkling it on to the smile line, because we're going to have a sort of a nice green sugared smile line. Okay, and once that's out from its double cure, then I just brush off any excess, and then any little bits as well around the smile line that need neatened up, or some little sort of glitter added to it. Then I just go back in with some top coat and just sprinkle over a little bit more glitter and just repeat the exact same thing. And that's it. This is the finished result. This is our St. Patrick's nails. Very shiny, very sparkly, very shamrocky. What do you think? Do you like them? Do you wear green? Is green a colour that you love? Let me know in the comments below. Say a little hello and all that good stuff. So thank you as always for joining me, guys. And I will be back next week with another design. Take care, stay safe and all that good stuff. And God bless. And see you all next time. Bye.